1 minute.
Okay.
It's not moving.
Okay. Or else you remove the bin and only put Flutter up to Flutter.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Then it's the Flutter project it is showing, right? I'll go back to previous.
No,
So this is
it's
correct,
okay.
correct.
It's
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
call it as test one. Project name is
What's it?
test one.
Test one. Okay.
T capital.
Yes. Android language, which one?
Make the project name as TS capital. Test one.
so I think
PS1.
it will be
Hmm?
small letter.
Small letter, is it? Okay,
Sir,
okay. Test one. Sorry.
yes.
Yeah,
T.
then
Okay. Yeah.
Android language,
Select
which
only Android. Others you deselect.
the language I wanted, Kotlin or this thing.
Yeah, that's okay.
You,
Create.
Okay.
Hello, Sujan. Hello, Deepa. Hello, Abhishek. So Pranav is setting up his environment. He's just set up the first Flutter project. Sitarama, are you ready to share the screen today? Hello, Gautami. Sitarama, any questions from last yesterday's session?
No, sir.
Okay, are you ready to share the screen?
Yeah, sir. Wait 1 minute.
Okay. Yeah, I think we'll start now. Pranav, can you stop sharing? We'll ask Sitarama
Okay,
to
sir.
share because he
Okay,
did
sir.
some
Okay, sir.
progress. So let's see if he can continue have the same momentum. Sitarama to
Okay,
share
sir.
the screen. So
Yeah.
we yesterday created 3 text editing controllers, right? And our
Yeah.
idea is to make
Yes.
RGB and to create a box which shows the color. Yeah, Shashank. So in the text field,
Yes.
how do I now get him to create a controller for each of these things so that we can write a logic to form the color? Over to you, Shashank.
Yes. Uh, yeah. Yeah. Inside text field.
Okay. 1 minute, sir. I should
So
connect the
for the
Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
benefit of everyone, we are now going to create 3 input boxes for red, green and blue to get different shades of the color depending on RGB values. So yesterday we stopped at a point where we created 3 text fields in line number 26, 27, 28, and now we are writing the logic for that. Okay.
So we can continue now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Inside text field. Enter. Here write controller. Yeah. Now we want to create text editing controller. After 20th line, enter.
20, 20th.
Yeah, 20th
After 20th. Enter.
Here, capital T, text editing controller, E capital, yeah, and give the name as R, space R is equal to
Is equal to
text editing controller, capital T, and semicolon, and enter. You want to create for G and B, yeah, text editing controller, T cap
G, right?
G, yeah, and last for B,
Okay.
now where you write controller is on 31st line.
Okay.
You name it as R.
In before comma or after?
No, yeah, before comma only. R.
Okay. What?
See, controller is the attribute and R is the value.
Yes.
Controller name. R is the controller name. Controller is the, you can say like a label, you know.
Yes. Yeah, and on 33rd line also.
Same. I should write same this.
No, don't copy like that.
Yeah,
Don't
same
copy.
thing.
You type it actually. Otherwise, you'll never get the practice.
Controller G.
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 Yeah.
Please do not copy paste.
Yeah. Sorry.
Um, next, after text field, comma, at 38th line.
Comma.
Yeah. Enter. We want to show a container. For that, we want to create a
Container widget.
Container.
container widget. Yeah.
Container
Yes, container widget.
widget.
No, container, that's all. Just double click on container.
Widget.
Yeah.
Enter, and it has a attribute called width.
Width and height. Okay.
Correct.
Yeah, width. Here, media query. No, this is not Control Z.
Okay.
Media. No, capital M only.
Media
IA Q capital
query.
QUERY
Query dot size something.
dot size of
Size. Size of
O capital F inside bracket context after bracket dot, yeah, comma,
Second attribute height.
enter height, yeah,
CHT height. Colon, right? Same.
for height we can give for 400 like that.
Art. The value is given direct, I think. We should give
Yeah,
okay, 400. Right.
100, 400, whatever,
Okay.
comma,
Comma.
enter, and we want color, color attribute,
Color. Color dot.
uh, yeah, colors, oh, okay,
Colors.
color dot, no, color dot from ARGB,
Color dot from
What is A here?
F small. So here A means
Alpha value, right?
opacity, alpha,
Alpha
yes
value.
sir, alpha or,
No. From, okay.
yes
RGB.
sir, both also,
You
from
just double click,
RGB.
yeah. If you can double click, it will come. Yeah.
Okay. Op- Should I change here this?
change the opacity, yeah, make opacity 1,
One. Then
and next we want to initialize some values
okay. Int r equal to
after
0.
23rd line, yeah, here,
No, lowercase r. Lowercase r.
Okay. This.
next
G.
G is equal,
Okay, good.
Sir, I
next
have used
one,
controller. This capital R's.
No,
Is it
it will come.
related?
It will come now. Now we need a submit button, right? Where is the submit button?
yes, so after 40th line,
After three input boxes, we need a submit button. After line 40, you need a elevated box of me, right? Okay. Yeah, enter.
yes sir, enter, elevated button, E capital,
Okay.
here instead of on pressed, two parentheses, open close parenthesis. After parenthesis and flower bracket, close the parenthesis, close the parenthesis, and between the parenthesis enter. Yeah, let's finish on pressed and then we go to child.
Okay.
Here set state. We want to change the set small s.
Set state is a method.
Okay.
Here
Set state.
small r is equal to
Small r is equal to
r dot. Oh,
See,
okay,
R
int dot parse.
capital R is the value which you enter in the box. Okay. And small r is the integer value which is resulting from that. Yeah. Integer dot parse, is it? int dot parse.
Yes, sir. Int dot parse.
Dot
Dot parse.
Parse whatever is entered in capital R dot text. Instead of source, you put R dot text, I think.
Yes.
so what should we
Capital R dot text.
capital R dot
So see, capital R is the one which you are entering, 255 or something. That text you are capturing whatever is in that input box, and you are parsing it, making it as an integer and assigning it to R. Okay.
And semicolon at the last.
And then you have to do same for G and B also.
B is equal to
Dot parse.
bar dot G dot text. B is equal yes, sir.
Next, for the child attribute, you want to give text.
Text.
Yeah, we have to say submit, no?
Text with
Somewhere you have to write submit, no,
yes.
for that button. So you have to write text.
Text. Text.
Yeah. Round bracket.
Text field.
No, not text field. Text field is for entry. This is for display, no?
Yeah.
Here, double inverted comma.
Write it in the
Submit.
same line, no? I think you can write it in the same line.
Just Control Z. Then
Yeah.
Okay.
Submit.
Submit.
and comma after the 47th last bracket.
Comma, not semicolon.
Com-
I think that container should go to the next line. Enter. Yeah. Can we build it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, build the app. Those font size, etc., will not be proportional, but at least you will get the logic. So if you put 255.00, you should get red, right?
Yes.
Yeah, next. Oh, we have to put a navigator here, is it? Okay. Yeah, fine. Put
I think
255.00. 255.
First box. This is second box, I think.
First box is 255. 0. 0, submit. Yeah, very good. Can you increase the font size of that so that it is visible to everybody? Increase the font size of the text editing controller. Yes.
Yeah, after controller,
After line
comma,
33. After line 33.
Okay.
After line 36, sorry. After, yeah, 33. After 33, enter.
33.
Style.
Yeah, yeah, style,
Yes, small. Yeah.
Styles. Font style.
text style,
Okay. Text style.
text style,
Okay.
and font size, F small, yeah, 30,
Yeah. Same thing you do for
and
everything else.
same thing.
Don't copy, don't
Same.
copy. No, don't copy.
Okay. So same thing for all.
Yeah.
Style. Text style. Font size. Of 30. Style. Yes, sir.
Okay. Build it.
Control S. No, for building, don't use that triangle button. Just use the cold button.
So can
Should
somebody
you
tell me why is it default black? If you want
Yeah,
default white,
hot.
what should we do? If you want default white, what should I do? Or if I want default green, what should I do? Not there, not there. Wherever you have initialize RGB, make G as 255. Make G as 255 in line 25.
25th line.
Make as 255. Yeah, now build that using the bottom. No, no, not that. Yeah, one to the left. That one, hot restart or
Okay.
yes, hot reload.
Yes, it's okay.
Now this should become green now.
You hot restart. Okay.
Hot restart is faster, is it?
Sir, hot reload means it is for building widgets only.
Hmm.
For hot restart, if we are using variables or if we create new variables or constants for that.
Okay, now it has not changed. Okay. Yeah, now go to, yeah, now it is green, right? Okay. Now enter the 25500. No, no, in the RGB, in the 25500, it should become red. Okay. So this is clear, right? I think rest you can do. Yeah, any doubts on this? I think now you know how to make submit button also bigger. Okay.
I
You make
think
it
there is some other work is going on for backend on the phone.
on
Try
the phone.
to
okay, start.
Okay, any questions on this app? Otherwise, we will move to the next one. I think this is fairly easy. Sitarama,
Sir, yeah, sir.
you are clear, right? Of how this has
Yes.
been developed. Okay.
Yeah.
So now
Sir,
related to, huh?
if we do not give any value, it does not take. We need to give.
Huh.
Yeah. Yesterday,
Yeah.
if we initialize 0, R0, B0, and if you do not give here
No,
value
no, wait,
0,
wait, 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 wait. 1 minute. See, when we were saying r dot text, no, that is where it matters. R dot text. So R is null now. See, R now in this case is null. Okay. Am I right, Shashank?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to handle null, if you want to force null to 0, we have to write some logic. Null and 0 are different.
So or else it also have two methods, sir, for handling that.
Hmm.
We can initialize the value for the on the text editing controller also.
Okay.
Go upwards where you declare the
Yeah.
inside the bracket in text editing controller. Your value is equal to small value. Is equal to means colon.
0.
Here we can initialize. Okay. Hover on text editing controller.
this service.
Second.
No, no, on the right hand side.
Hover.
Just hover. You don't need to select.
Hover.
No, no, no. On the after equal to sign, yeah, just hover. No, no, keep the mouse there. That's all. Don't shift it. Yeah.
Yeah, text, not value. Sorry, text.
Text is equal to 0.
Text is equal text colon within inverted comma 0.
Do the same thing.
For all.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now he has to do reload or restart.
Start.
Hot restarts.
Or restart.
No, sir, it's not.
App is closed, I think.
I stopped this button.
Yeah.
I stopped the main part.
Now submit. It will
Yeah,
not.
yeah. This is what you wanted, right, Sitarama?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. I think we can close this project. Can we go to the next project? Okay. Okay. Can you stop sharing?
Okay.
I'll just give what is to be done next. So what you have to do next is, suppose you have three colors, red, green and blue. You have to give 8 different shades of red. Okay, and 8 different shades of blue. For example, this is a See, this is a red color, right? Mm, this is, I'll just put. This is red color. Now this one should be another form of red, and this one should be next shade of red. This one should be next shade of red. This one should be next shade of red, like this. And here green, right? This should be, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
This should be the next shade of green. This should be the next shade of green. This should be another shade of green. Similarly, this should be one shade of blue, next another shade of blue, another shade of blue. So tell me the logic how we will do this, Sitarama. I want this RGB color with different opacity. This is R with different opacity, this is G with different opacity, and this is B with different opacity. Okay? Change the opacity. See, opacity is between 0 to 1, right? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So let this opacity be 0.2, this opacity can be 0.4, this opacity can be 0.6, this opacity can be 0.8. Can you do this? And this opacity can be 1. Or maybe 1,
Reverse.
0.8, 0.6, 0.4 and 0.2. Can you do this, Sitarama?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start a new project. I'll stop sharing the screen. Okay. So do it only for red first, and then we can do it for green and blue. Create screen 4 and
Okay. Sir, 1 minute, sir.
yeah.
Sorry for this.
Please ask questions, rest of the team. If you ask questions, I think many things will get cleared. Radhika, Nikita, Pragna. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So screen 4.
So here, how is the scaffold means what, sir?
Huh?
Here in the mobile app development, what is scaffold? You told like it's a building like a building. So here, how scaffold works?
See, scaffold is the first layer of UI. Within that only everything else gets built up. Okay. First you build a scaffold.
So why we use the return scaffold?
The entire superstructure of the
Yes,
UI
sir.
is within the scaffold. See, first you are
Okay,
building
sir.
the scaffold. Inside that you are building everything else. Okay. The outer
Okay, sir.
layer is scaffold. Okay.
Okay, so return scaffold, what does it do, sir?
Scaffold is a widget, yeah. Scaffold is a widget
Okay,
which
sir.
is meant to contain all
Okay.
other UI layers. Okay. I will send you the
Okay, sir.
documentation of scaffold.
Okay, sir.
Scaffold is a class widget.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Almost all projects start with a scaffold here. Okay. Okay. No, don't make it app. Yeah. Okay. Stateless. Call it a screen 4. S capital. Yeah. Then stateful.
No, this should. Okay, okay.
Stateful. Call it as app 4. Yeah. Now in line 4 you write return home.
Line 4.
Line 4.
Sixth line.
Line 6.
Line 6, right.
Material page app.
Material.
Not home. Return material app.
Okay. Return material. Material app.
Enter.
With that,
Home.
Here inside home.
Home colon app 4. APP A capital. Left. Yeah. Semicolon. Good.
Colon.
App 4.
Comma.
App 4.
Not semicolon.
App 4. Oh, not semicolon. Comma is it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now, yeah, Pranav, this is where scaffold will come in line 23, I think. Line 23.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah, this is the
Okay,
beginning
sir.
of your UI elements. Until then, UI elements are, yeah.
Oh,
S capital.
Yes.
yeah.
Next, Shashank.
So here body.
Body.
Here column. Column vision.
Capital.
Do we need
C
column or do we
capital.
need row? Because I need
No wise, yes.
red, right?
Yeah, no, column wise, right.
Yes, sir. But we want 3 rows.
Yeah,
no, sir.
three rows.
For
Yeah,
fitting
so
3
first we
rows.
need column. Yeah.
Enter. Yeah, inside that children. Enter. Within that row. Enter. You can choose color box. Here children first. Children. Yeah. Enter. Okay. Container. Enter. I want to give width and height. Width.
Pardon. Does not hear. Sorry. Hello.
What should be the width, Shashank?
I think network problem.
Yeah, you put some width, 100 you put. Height, 100. then color you put color colon color dot red dot RGB. No, this color should be, I think, capital color, I think, uppercase color. After the colon should be, don't say red, color dot RGB. Remove the dot, then you will get everything. Remove the dot and then put dot again. Yeah, from
From
RGBO,
Yeah,
RGBO, I
from,
think.
RGBO.
yeah,
Okay. This should be,
red
we should
to,
do 0.5.
no, start with 1,
Okay.
and put R value is 255, and
Here only
Where?
hard code it.
replace R
Right
by
now hard code it.
255.
25500.
Okay.
R, wherever R is
Not
there,
there
right?
on 31st line.
31st. Here.
Yeah, hard code 25500.
Yeah,
So what should I do now?
255, yeah?
Equal to
Red. No, remove R and put 255
2 bit. Okay.
and G
Is it
make it 0 and B make it 0. Now next one more container where 1 will become 1 into 0.2. So now you can copy, I think, right?
yes.
Wait,
Put
from
comma
container,
on 21st line.
21st,
First.
Sir, before that, I suggest him to write comma on 32nd line.
32nd line, comma.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, now you can copy from 28 to 32.
Control C. No, including the comma.
Yeah,
Think
with
including the
comma.
comma.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now 1 star point 2 you do, 1 star point 8. No, 1 star point 8 you do.
So, or 1 by 8 we can. Sir.
No, it's okay, like this only you do. One more.
Should I change it?
No, 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 let that be red only.
No.
It's a different shade of red, no?
Okay.
Different, yeah, one more. Yeah, 1 star point 6. Okay, one more. 1 star point 4. One more 1 star point 2. Okay. Okay, build it. Let us see. We don't know whether the width and height are correct, but
So, so that's why we can use media query.
yeah, we'll do that.
Yes.
Yeah, here we have to write a navigation to this page, right? We are not written a navigation in screen 3.
Yes, sir.
So go to screen 3 and write a floating action button.
Now on after column vision on 57th line, after 57th line. Floating action F small. Floating action is attribute name. Value is floating action button. Capital.
Capital F. Two round
Parenthesis. Yeah,
No,
flower
one.
bracket. enter. Yeah. Here navigator dot.
push. Material page route, no? Instead of route,
Yes. Instead of row.
it is material page. Yeah, instead of builder context.
Within bracket context.
Then after the bracket,
Put closing bracket.
after the first bracket.
Is it correct?
No, no.
After context, first bracket is equal to.
Yeah, equal to greater than sign.
I'm showing some error.
App 4. No, app 4. After greater than app 4.
The name of the class in screen 4.
Enter. Now, if we click enter, it will automatically import that package also. Here, semicolon. After app 4, you want to put like a function, brackets.
Okay. That's what
Then we want to import on hover on app 4.
on.
No, app 4. On app 4,
Okay,
just
inside.
you no,
No,
just
no.
hover on app
Over
4.
on app 4.
Hover
App
means
4 ಮೇಲೆ ಮೌಸ್
Okay, okay.
ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
import. Click on import library package. Save.
Okay, build it.
Yeah, you got it actually.
Okay, we did not put icon, so it's okay. Click on that.
Yeah.
No, click on that action button. Yes. So you got different shades of red, right? But if you see that zebra crossing is coming, that means it has gone out. Correct? So
Yes.
reduce the width, make it 80 or something.
I
Make
think
it 80.
70.
70. Make it 70.
Actually, it shows the how many pixels are out of boundary. Sir, it is 107. We can
Okay. Make it 50
adjust
then.
accordingly.
Make it 50.
Sir, height also.
No.
Height let it.
Height let it be there. Height is not gone out of thing, no? Only width has gone out of range, right? Yeah, build it again.
Yeah, for widget change, use the hot method instead of restart.
Huh? Okay. So you got an idea, Sitarama? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now you can copy the whole thing and make it green now. All the 4 containers you can copy now. No, including the row.
Yes,
1 minute.
from,
No, not like that. Come near line 26. Okay. Near line 26 there is a small arrow button, no? No, come to the end of that arrow button. Now you copy this row and enter and do Control C, Control V.
Okay, Control C.
First copy and put comma there.
Comma and then Control V. enter, control V. Yeah, now open this up and change it to green. Sorry, green. Now this one color will be 0 255 0. Then these things, the logic can be optimized. We can write more efficient code. We don't need to write like this. Okay, next is blue 00225. Okay, build it.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, so this is clear, right? You can make further changes, not a problem. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Sitarama, one more I want you to do. I have sent something in the chat. Can you click on this? The next project.
Chart.
Go to chat. Yeah. No, chat. No, go to that whereby.com. Yeah, there chat. There is a button called chat. Click on this. Oh, I thought it was loading. I want you to make a chessboard. Yeah, like this. Can you make a chessboard? Create a 64 square UI. Okay? Okay, Shashank, please guide him. Create screen
Yes.
5 dot dot.
Uh,
Screen 5 dot dot. No. Don't be in a hurry. Screen 5.
Yeah.
Please don't be in a hurry. Screen
Instead
5.
of creating new,
We can?
we can refactor the file.
Okay. Okay, let him get a practice, no? Stateless.
Yes.
Stateless. Make it screen 5. Okay. Then stateful app 5. Okay. And then line 6 return material app enter home app 5 A capital. Now in line 22 return
And sir, on 10, we want to put semicolon on 10th line.
semicolon on 10. Is it? Okay. Why it did not come automatically? Okay.
I think enter, right?
Okay. scaffold. So now see, we start with a scaffold, then we write. So now we have to write a column widget, right? No, body. First body.
as a body.
Yeah. Please guide Shashank.
So I want to use grid view builder or like,
Yeah, whatever is suitable for this.
as there is a widget called grid view builder, uh, capital G, capital G and RAD.
No, grid
Yeah.
view.
First you write grid view dot builder. Instead of grid delegate, replace with capital S sliver. Sliver, yeah, first one with fixed cross axis count.
What is a sliver? Can you explain, Shashank?
Yes, sir. It sliver divides the screen into the parts. If we give here cross axis alignment as 2,
Hmm.
cross axis count as 2, it will create two distinct distance with the
Okay. Yeah.
same distance but two columns.
Okay. Yeah.
If we put 8, it will create 8 divides.
So cross axis count should become 8 now here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
And on item builder, bracket, parent, yeah, context, comma, same, context, comma,
Is it
index, yeah, index. Yeah. After the first bracket, yeah, flower bracket, enter. Here, return container, yeah, C, B capital, container,
container insert?
uh, yeah, after container, semicolon, after container semicolon and after 27th line semicolon, not colon, semicolon.
Okay, sorry.
So, yeah. And on 24th line, before grid delegate, here comma, before comma, uh, there is a item count, I think. Item, small I, yeah, item count is equal to 64. Why 64 means 64 total boxes.
Okay,
Okay, this is a little complicated. You have to explain again. But first, let us build it. Okay.
Yes,
You may have to put a navigator floating point, floating button in the previous screen, right? Otherwise, it will not build.
as
Screen 4, Sitarama,
yeah, sir.
put a floating action button in screen 4 after column. Yes.
Floating
Wait.
action button is a attribute of scaffold widget. Okay.
Hmm.
Then
And
I will just
Dot push.
dot
push.
Metal page
and
route.
use tab for navigating.
No, 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 no.
Inside of bracket.
First round bracket.
Inside bracket. Got
Remove the tab 5 total. Don't write now.
Okay, okay.
First two round brackets inside that no, two round bracket. I mean parenthesis. Left
Inside
parenthesis, right parenthesis. Instead of builder.
after
Instead of
after
builder.
builder.
Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of builder. Remove that builder. Left parenthesis, right parenthesis. Left round no, 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 not that. Left round parenthesis. Yeah. Inside that context, right?
context. Yes, sir.
Context, comma.
So I think there is a
Context.
remove the flower bracket on. No, don't use that. Okay. On 117 line, 117th line,
Yeah.
remove the flower bracket and one round bracket also.
Don't use that auto correction, please, Sitarama.
Okay. Okay.
After context, remove the comma. After closing bracket is equal to greater than here. Yeah.
App 4, app 5, yeah, correct. And then a semicolon, right?
So
What?
another bracket. Another bracket. Uh,
Yeah,
app,
yeah,
Where
yes, put it correct.
yeah,
is it correct?
import the
Correct, correct.
bracket. Yeah,
It's
it's
correct.
correct. Now, after app, import the app file.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we cannot go down. I think there is some mistake on screen 5. There is a mistake. Yeah. Screen count item count is 64. Yeah, and inside container
inside container.
color.
But we'll see later. We'll see later. Wait, wait. Let us build this first. Let us build it in
Sir,
stages.
if we don't give,
Let us see what we'll get.
so, yes,
Wait, wait. Let us see what we'll get. Build it now. I want to be built in stages here. Otherwise it will become. Okay, this is what we are getting, is
yes,
it?
sir, we get, yes, sir.
Okay, now put the color.
Capital C, color dot rs
Capital.
rs dot. No,
Capital or
after colors, not color, instead of color,
color
yes, dot
dot
put black save, and on left side you can,
Oh, it's showing like this.
yeah, on left side you can see the play button, like on left corner, left, further left side, full last line, on
Here.
left, full left side, yeah.
Yeah, it's
uh,
already.
you can okay, uh,
Color black is giving
click
here.
on container,
Okay.
yeah, click on container and select the bulb button there, and padding, wrap with padding. Now save. Yeah, control S,
Yeah.
just control S.
Yeah.
Oh, this is not what we wanted.
Yes, sir.
We wanted alternate white and black, right?
Yes, sir. For that, uh, we want it. Actually, we want a border also,
Hmm.
because
Correct.
uh, for border, on seventh line, on 27th line, enter here, decoration as an attribute name. Here, box decoration, B capital. Enter, border, B small, and capital B, border. Inside it, color.
No. Hmm.
It's okay. Color, colon, colors dot black.
You can give some other color, yeah? Border.
So instead of
Black.
you can give blue,
Blue.
comma,
Something is error.
The error there.
yeah,
Color.
Okay.
uh, hover on border, the second border.
There is no attribute called
No, I
color.
think this is not. There is a border. Yeah, remove the border.
Full whole thing.
No, attribute border will be there, but yeah, remove, yeah, border. Don't put the brackets. Remove the brackets. Dot. Yeah, there is all, no, all. Yeah. Here color,
Colors dot blue.
colors dot
small place. Blue gray. Okay. Blue. Yeah.
comma, and width 1, and remove 31st line. And we want to remember that in decoration, if we use decoration, we want to give color inside the decoration blocks decoration. Yeah.
box.
Yeah, remove the padding. Click on padding, bell like uh,
Remove this
remove
widget.
this
Remove this
widget.
widget. Okay.
For on
Can you explain line
before
24,
return.
Shashank? I think we can complete it tomorrow, but line 24, can you explain again? It's
Yes,
not clear.
yes. So grid view is like a list view only,
Hmm.
but it has a
No, so
split
you have taken
like
64 grids and you have
grid
made it
delegate.
as
Grid
8 into
grid
8, no?
delegate is yes,
No, we
yes
can't
sir.
see the full code. I mean, can you copy that full line into a notepad? Yeah, okay, fine. So what you have done here, can you
Yeah,
explain?
yes. So I'm creating 64 total boxes,
Hmm.
means total widgets,
Okay.
and arranging column in a row. I am arranging 8 boxes. Like I am written in grid delegate.
Okay.
So if I give two, you can try. If I give two, it will split as two boxes like that.
Okay, just instead of cross axis A, count 8, make it 2. What it will give? Just build it.
So give 2 boxes at one row. Yes.
Okay. 2 boxes in one row. Okay, give 4. Just give 4.
Uh, box.
Okay. So 4 means there will be 16 lines, is it? According to this? 4
Yes,
means
sir.
there will be
Right.
16 lines, huh? Okay.
Yes.
Is there a scroll feature? No.
Yes, sir. It has a default scroll.
Okay. Now make it 8. Okay. Make it instead of blue, make it black only. Okay. Now can you make alternate colors black?
Yes, sir. After 25th line. Yeah, here we want to create two variables where uh, row is equal to index
Is
Row is equal to. Is
is
equal to.
equal to
okay.
index divided by divided
Divided
by
by,
means yeah, 8. Yeah, and enter where no, where column is equal to
COL, just make it COL.
index percentage reminder 8.
So one you are creating a quotient, other you are creating a reminder.
Has
But to make it integer, you have to do something in line 26, right?
has before divide operator you want to put Simon operator. Yeah, there
What operator?
Is it correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Simon's
What is it
yeah.
called? Simon, is it? I didn't know this.
Yeah, yeah, Simon.
Yes.
SIMON. Okay. Okay.
uh,
Why you have
yeah.
done like this?
And
Hmm.
yes, so row if we use 0,
Hmm.
0 divided by if we be divided by 8,
It will be 0. Hmm.
it will go up zeros as,
Yeah.
and remainder will be 0.
Yeah.
So if we in index row index
Hmm.
if we give 1 to 8,
Hmm.
0 to 7, it will be 0, sir.
Correct. Correct.
Uh, so then we get 0th row.
Okay.
Then for column, we get 0 percentage 8 is 0,
Hmm.
and 1 percentage 8 is I think it remains 1.
Okay. Build it. Build it. Let's see. We'll see the logic. Yeah.
Yeah. And after 30th line comma, enter color. Here we want to put logic uh, yeah, within brackets, two parentheses, row plus ROW plus COL. After the closing bracket, percentage 2, no, percentage 2, double is equal to 0, yeah, and question mark. Yeah. Here colors C capital, colors dot black, colon, colors dot
So this is a ternary operator. Depending on the condition,
yes,
either it is black or it's white. Yeah.
save.
Should I
Yeah, just save it will.
have done that?
Okay, it is working, but I have not understood the logic, but we'll see it tomorrow. There's no problem. Okay. Anybody else
So
can
if we
explain the logic?
print
I didn't understand the logic.
after 32nd line, yeah, enter. Here child.
What are you doing here?
So you are printing the like
Six.
printing the text values of rows and columns. Then we get the idea of how it
Okay, okay.
comes.
Yeah.
Yeah, text widget. Here double inverted comma, dollar row,
No, no,
no,
dollar
dollar
symbol, yeah.
symbol and
Dollar
row.
symbol. It's a variable. Dollar row. Yeah.
Yeah, space, dollar column,
COL. Yeah.
and space, dollar flower bracket, row plus column.
Okay.
Yeah. After yeah. So I think we can't see the black on the text.
Hmm.
On come to 31st line. Yeah. Uh, Press control divided by symbol.
Sorry. That-
Yeah. Come before color. First color.
Here. Or
No,
here.
first color.
Uh,
Yeah. Put double divided by. Just comment it. Yeah. Now save. Yeah. So here we can see zeroth row, zeroth column.
Hmm.
If we add it, we get 0.
Correct.
It is a odd number,
Okay.
even number, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And 0 plus 1, 0 through first column,
Hmm.
second 0 plus 1, 1, it is even,
Hmm.
now odd.
Hmm.
So, and then we get even, odd like that.
Okay.
4, 6, 8 like that we get.
Okay.
So after 7, 7, 14, even number, we
Hmm.
get 1. 1 as a odd number.
Okay.
Previously, if we got white, here we get black. Like
Okay. Okay. So basically, odd numbered thing you are putting white and other is black you are putting. Okay.
yes, sir. So like a matrix,
Mm-hmm.
we created the row column addition matrix.
Okay.
Then we get this one.
Okay. Okay. You can put it back. Put back the color. Any questions? Line 31, remove the comment. Yeah, any questions, anybody? Otherwise, we'll close. Sitarama, any questions for you?
no, sir.
Okay. So we'll close for the day. So thank you very much. I hope all of you are getting the GitHub link, the Android APK, and the YouTube video. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you,
So I
Shihan.
think
Huh?
so. Someone asked the question like, are same? Oh, children and child are same.
Huh.
Uh, uh, yeah. Children is a combination. Means it is a list of childs. Child can store only single widget.